Hey everyone, this is Stacy in Japan, and I decided to take my bike. Oh, you haven't met my bike. That is my new ride for this school year. So I decided to take it for a ride to find my schools. I have two schools. Now I'm living in the very hilly area of Seto City, and that's why I'm breathing like this. I'm going to show you what I just managed to come through trying to find my way. I think I'm a little lost, but hey. So if you look there, these are all graves. So I'm in a grave site, and the rain is now coming down ever so slightly. It's still quite beautiful, but man, it's a killer getting up these hills. So this is a short video. I just wanted to touch base with you guys, and I am going to continue seeing if I can find my schools in the rain, or maybe I should go back home. Bye for now from Stacy in Japan.